Rex and Evelyn, the Beauty Food Chick. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make Tuwon Shinkafa, popularly called, the form is called swallow in Nigeria, but Tuwon Shinkafa is tuwo made from rice, which is swallow. I soaked my rice, I washed and soaked my rice for about 4 hours because I'm using normal rice. And in my blender, I added water to this level. Can you see that? And I blended it smooth. Depending on how you want the consistency, you want to blend it really smooth or with a little granules. And you stir this for about 5 minutes. It will form like so. Is it ready? No, it's not. So you want to add hot water and make sure to clean every part of your pot like I am doing in this video, and you cover for another 5 to 7 minutes. It should be cooked and smooth like so, but you want it to combine together. So you begin to take this action that I am doing in this video. I want to believe that you are watching this video because you do not know how to make this. This is what it looks like. If you want it softer than this, just add a little bit more hot water, cover it to steam, but this is exactly how it should look. It shouldn't be hard. If it's hard, you are not gonna enjoy it, and it won't be soft. It won't be fluffy, sort of. What you're looking for is the fluffiness. So you combine it like so, how I am doing. Look at that. This is Tuwon Shinkafa from the northern part. I just showed you the easy way to make it. Now, my sister Aisha wanted us to eat this with egusi, and she went ahead to make egusi, and this is how she makes her own egusi. And it was tasty. I absolutely loved it. Please like this video, leave me a comment, and consider subscribing. If you do not have ugu, please feel free to use spinach in your egusi soup. It's a vegetable after all. Consider subscribing if you haven't, and I guess I'll see you in my next video. Thank you and God bless you. Bye.